What's up, guys? Got an unboxing here from Chems FB all the way to here, and let's see what's inside it real quick. Let's see if we can open this up real quick. Pop that in and open this up. Oh yeah, the big Chems cruiser, big 35. Gave me some extra tape. See what it says here. Thanks, Chems 3D Mid Pro Old School Sharp. Let's get that out the way. Open this up. Open, please. There we go. Dude, he gave me 2 sheets of tape. Chems/Goo collab. Warning. Dude, this thing is super sick. Look at those plies. Wow, this thing is nice. Wow. Yeah, this is totally nice, dude. I'm gonna set this thing up as soon as possible. Got more stickers right here. Chems. Little Chems skull. Little vinyl. Says Goo 666 Goo FB. That's about it. Yeah. The Chems 3D printed old school sharp shape. So, see you guys around.